So now that we are almost done with our PowerPoint, a couple other things. One of it is displaying the slideshow. And to display the slideshow, you click on slideshow and you can present it from the beginning or from the current slide. You can also present it by using the slideshow icon here in the very bottom, or you can press F5. Shift F5 will also start the presentation from whatever point you are in your presentation. So now if you wanted to present from the beginning, just click on slideshow from the beginning and that will start. One other thing that when you're presenting this presentation, you can also use the pen option to write on the actual slides as you're presenting or annotate. This is, and unfortunately you cannot see it at this point in the recording, it's in the bottom left, there's a little red pencil. But you'd basically click on it and then you'll be able to pick the pen. Once you pick the pen, you can also annotate directly on each slide using the mouse. The way to get to this, if you do not know what to press, it's also by pressing Control P. So if you do Control P, it will enable the pen so that you can write on the screen or mark stuff on the screen, and Control A changes it to the arrow so that you can just click using the mouse. Control P, it makes it so it's the pen. P for the pen, A for the arrow. And as you're presenting your PowerPoint, to move to previous slides, you can simply press the backspace on the keyboard. That'll be the easiest. Or of course right-click and choose previous. Or some of the remotes that you might be using while presenting, they might have a back button as well. The easiest is backspace, or the left arrow on the keyboard as well. Then to move to the right, or to go ahead of the presentation, you can press the space bar, the right arrow, or the clicking in the mouse, as long as it's not in pen mode. If it is in pen mode, you want to change it to clicking, Control A for the arrow. Once you're done with the presentation, usually it will ask you, so you'll press escape to exit the presentation. If you want to keep those annotations, you'll click on keep, and those will be embedded into your PowerPoint. I would recommend that before you annotate anything on the PowerPoint, that you make a copy of your original so you have it without the notes. So I'll click on keep, and now those markings will be displayed. So that's how you present the PowerPoint and how you switch to pen mode and utilize different functions. One other key component you might want to use from time to time is using the slide sorter. Notice here on the bottom, you click on slide sorter, and you can drag and drop the slides as you want and rearrange them accordingly to what your liking is.